You guys know I'm getting my life together. I have 4 boxes of mail like that. I'm separating the mail that I'm going to keep and then the mail that I'm going to shred and throw away. That's the mail I'm going to keep. The one close to the camera is the mail I'm going to shred and throw away. So this is what I ultimately ended up keeping, and it's basically just bills and stuff like that. I found this gift card from last Christmas for my daughter. Each one of those envelopes represent a month, y'all. So that just kind of goes to show you how long it's been since I checked this mail. Listen, anxiety is anxiety, and I'm showing this because I want people to know that they're not the only ones. This is an easy way, when you have the courage to sort through your mail, to go through your mail, to organize your mail, this is an easy way to do it. And I'm just really putting each bill in a separate compartment. I have one for my personal mail, and then I have one for my bills. Now, this makes everything easier. And if you have a lot of bills, you can stand them up so you can get bills on each side of the dividers. I have one for my personal and one for my bills. And this makes it so much easier because when I get ready to file them away, I just grab a stack like that, open the envelopes, put them in my folder that already has compartments and it's already separated to make everything so much easier. I developed this anxiety about bills maybe about 12 years ago, maybe 15 years ago. I don't know where it came from. Going through the mail, I found this check. You see the date on this check? I found this check. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to shred all of this mail. I hope this helps somebody, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.